Firstly, thank you for joining our growing community. Slide UI is the world's largest customizable block database. Our goal is simple: for designers to work faster, smarter, and earn more money every day. So let's jump in. Firstly, it includes a Figma plugin and also a web app. So if we visit app.slideui.com, we can find all the designs here as well. The functionality is slightly different. It works as a copy paste. So if we copy an element, we can paste it here, Command V, and all elements are customizable. Let's hide this. Let's move that there. Make sure we are signed in as Pro. Pro unlocks all 10,000 blocks. Now let's build a website. Just a cheat sheet below that you can download. And what this is, it is all the sections used within a website. They are based on hierarchy, meaning the ones at the top are most likely to be found at the top of a website. For example, menu and hero. Let's get started. So let's start off with an announcement bar. I'm already here. We just I'll just toggle that on and off. Let's find one that we like. Let's go with this. And that should paste into your artboard. Next, we want a menu. Find one that suits. What one do we like? Let's use this. Okay, once that's in here, let's detach that component. So Option Command B. Let's delete this and remove this padding. Perfect. Next, we want a hero because hero is important. Do we like? Let me go back up. I think this is nice. Let's drop that in. Move that there. I'm using the designer system to toggle between modes. I highly recommend this if you are not using it. And then, we want to go to accent mode. There we go, that's nice. Jump back to the top, product highlight bar, product. Let's go with this. Then let's just jump into, we're already in product. Let's make it e-commerce website. Drop this and add to cart for a product page. Testimonials. Oops, I've done two there. For social proof, these are sensitive, so you need to write testimonial with no S on the end or else it will not pop up. That should be in the cheat sheet. Let's go, this is nice. Now I want to change this to light mode. Perfect. After that, maybe let's just jump into a call to action. Call to action, let's just use something simple. We can go back and change it to the way we want it. So no stress there. That's in. And let's just finish with a footer. Simple footer, good enough. And that is how easy it is to build a website. Now, if we want to jump in and change a few things around, maybe we want that framer style. So we just click these buttons, we go to effects, let's have a slight drop shadow. So let's go to 2, maybe 6. Ever so slightly. Add another shadow. Let's go inner shadow. And then let's move that to a lighter version of the blue. Like that. Yep, that looks nice. Less blur. And that's a start to get that framer style look. Then we jump in, we change images to the way we want. We change everything, anything you need, but this is cutting out designing from scratch, which is going to slow you down. So I highly recommend you work faster. You can change this to dark mode, simply select them. This is the designer system, just keeping in mind. We want to change that to that. Sometimes that doesn't work. Let's double click. There we go. Maybe we want that nice dark look. And there you go. Then you just work from there, and